Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add auto captions in CapCut. Simply open the desktop software and then click and drag your file here. From here, you're gonna need to click and drag it to the timeline. Alright, so that's our video. And now all we need to do is click on text and go to auto captions. Select the language you want. There are multiple languages. So right now I'm speaking in English, so I'll just select that and then click on create. Alright, so our auto captions are ready. Let's check it out. So this the other part, we are going to the fourth part, that is app. Alright, so if you want to do any changes, just click on it. And over here, you can do all the necessary edits. So I've noticed the mistake here, there is no space. So I'll just give it one. There you go. Now let's check it out. So this the other part, we are going to the fourth part, that is app. Alright, so far so good. Let's check out this. So I've added a little baseline as well. I'll show that later on. Simple baseline, but you need to go with the feel of what I is saying, right? So there is a different section now. Alright, so here there are some timing issues. Let's just fix that. You can zoom in and zoom out using this. Let's zoom out a little bit and then go back there. Alright, so this is our subtitle track. Okay, just click here and play. So this the other part, we are going to the fourth part, that is app. So I've added a little base. That's our caption starts here. We need to bring it a little forward so that it matches with what I'm saying. Click on play. So I've added a little. So I've added a little baseline as well. I'll show that later on. Simple baseline, but you need to go with the feel. Okay, let's fix that. Baseline as well. I'll show that later on. Simple baseline, but alright, so here I'm saying simple baseline, but it has detected simple best lane. So let's just remove it. Later on, simple baseline, but you need to go with the feel of what I is saying, right? So there is a different section now. Alright, let's check it out again. So I've added. Just change this. So I've added a little baseline as well. I'll show that later on. Simple baseline, but you need to go with the feel of what. But you need to go with the feel of what I is saying, right? So there is a different section now. Back to one. Review. Alright, so we have fixed this part. Let's check out the other ones. Right, so I'm introducing the harp slowly, right? Fading it in. Now I'll take out the drums. Insane, but also a bit energetic, changing the mood of the song a little bit. That's how. Playing with a little bit of rhythm there. Alright, so you got the idea how we can edit the text. Alright, so let's try some different styles. So here there are so many words in one line, so I need to change that. So all we need to do is just click here and then click on captions. Here you will see all the captions generated by the AI. Okay, so if you want to do any changes here, you can do that too. So let's say right here, I want to make this to the next caption. Right, click on it and then hit enter. Alright, so it has divided into two. here I can change it to the next line as well. Alright, so let's see how it looks like. So this the other part, we are going to the fourth part, that is F. So the entire sentence was bigger. I just cut it into 3 parts. Alright, so let's say I can do some further edits. Click on it. So for example, this one, the other part, I'll make it into a different color. Select it and then maybe change it to bold and then choose a different color. Alright, I'll just go with this. Now let's see how does it looks like. So this the other part, we are going. Alright, here also you can emphasize on some words. Let's see, I would do this. Change the color. Increase the font size as well a little bit. See how does it looks like. So this the other part, we are going to the fourth part, that is F. Right, so similarly you can do individual changes to any text or letters. Maybe I'll go with red, bold, and change the font size. Right, let's check it out. So this the other part, we are going to the fourth part, that is F. Right, I'm just showing you some basic edits so that you can experiment more and try out on your own. Maybe I want this a little bit bigger and do that. And if you click here, apply to all, then everything will be applied to all the text. Let's just do that. All right, now let's click on play and watch it. So this the other part. Yeah. All right, here you can see the text is going out of the screen. You can either resize this or you can simply divide it between two. Let's just find out where I'm going. All right, click on it and then enter. Right, let's watch it now. The other part, we are going to the fourth part, that is F. All right, so that's pretty cool. Change the colors as well. Bold, a little bit of increase. All right, so let's watch it now. So this the other part, we are going to the fourth part, that is F. All right, so let's check out some other effects. Next. This one is also going out of the screen, so let's just fix that. But make sure remove this so that it doesn't apply to all. All right, so this one also we can divide it between few parts. Let's just do that. All right, so these were the manual edits you can do. There's one more thing I wanted to show you guys. If you click on basic and head over here, there are a bunch of different font styles that you can use. Just click on it and select whatever you like the most. Just click on apply to all. Now this text effect will be added to all the text. So let's just play and watch it. So this the other part, we are going to the fourth part, that is F. So I've added a little baseline as well. I'll show that later on. Simple baseline, but you need to go with the feeling. Alright, so let's do some more changes. Maybe the feel, we can make it capital letters. Select it and then change the color. Increase the size a little bit. Alright, so now let's check it out. Simple baseline, but you need to go with the feeling of what I say, right? So there is a different section. Now, back to the rule. Alright, so here's a trick you can do. You can zoom out using this. And here, I'll chop this track between few parts, okay? So let's just say I'll go here. Right between now, I'll split it between two. click on it. Alright, so here what I'll do, I'll change the color of each of these slices. Right, so if I go here, now back to one, the root. Alright, so you can use this kind of experiments and explore more. Alright, so let's click on play and watch it. So this is the other part. We are going to the fourth chord, that is F. So I've added a little bass line as well. I'll show that later on. Simple bass line, but you need to go with the feel of what I is saying, right? So that is a different section. Alright, that was very cool. Alright, so that's how you create the auto caption, and it's very simple. Finally, I wanted to show you one cool feature which is called the templates. Just click on any of the tracks and then click on templates. Here you'll see few different options for templates. You can click on it, and then I've clicked on apply to all, so this template will be applied to all the tracks. So I'll just click on play and watch it. So this is the other part. We are going to the fourth chord, that is F. Well, I'll show that later on. Simple bass line, but you need to go with the feel. Alright, so that's very cool. Let's check out the other template as well. Maybe let's try this. Alright, so I've selected this template and let's check it out. Later on. Simple bass line, but you need to go with the feel of what I is saying, right? So that is a different section. Now back to one. Alright, that's very cool. Alright, so if you're satisfied with your video, just click on export and then save it to your computer. Alright, so that's about it for today. If you have reached till the end of the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.